Henry died. Sad movie. Good morning, City Manager. I go to Henry's house. I'm so excited. Henry! Hi! Let's play, Henry. Let's play. Let's play too. Let's play. Haha, silly Henry. You too. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's play. Yeah. Henry playing with his best friend. Let's play to the slide. Yeah. Henry, look! What? Henry! No! It's been a long day without you, my friend. I finally silence listening to foster we say. Come a long way, my friend. Lonely silence, summer, summer, see you again. So far, see you alone, I'm alone, without be here anymore. Someone tonight, man, see you, man, so far. Never far, and I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. I'm not see here anymore. I want to say goodbye, say a new home, I'm alone, I don't want to be with you anymore. I just survive, now we don't know, to see the sun, another man, the part, and be alone, I don't know. I'm alone. I will be with you anymore. Now I'm just let it roll.